Summit makes collecting field boundaries simple by importing geo-referenced imagery and then allowing us to digitize a field boundary directly from the image. To start digitizing images, simply select the Create Farm and Fields icon on Summit's homepage. We are then taken to the Adds Field tab within Summit. This section can also be accessed by clicking on the Setup icon, then Field Management Setup. Since we want to create a new field boundary directly from Summit, select Create New Boundary. Now select Create Boundary using online imagery. For this part, a high-speed internet connection is recommended because the image files that load are rather large. We can locate our field by entering the location of the field by latitude and longitude, or typing in the nearest city or town. For this example, we will enter Arthur, Illinois. Select the town from the drop-down list, then select Next. Summit will now open the Digitizer tool and load imagery surrounding Arthur, Illinois. Depending on the speed of the internet connection, gray boxes may temporarily appear as the images load. For this imagery, I will select the National NAIP images. Once the images have loaded, we will navigate to the specific area that we want to digitize. To move to another portion of the image, select the Pan tool, click and hold the mouse button down, then drag the mouse across the screen. This will essentially grab the imagery and move it. Once you drag a new section onto the screen, new imagery will load. As you pan across imagery, any former field boundaries that you have in Summit will appear in blue. You can also display road maps, which may help in locating a field. Once you get to the general location of your field, you can zoom in by selecting Zoom In, then click and hold the mouse button down while dragging over a selected area. We can continue to pan and zoom until satisfied with the display of the field. We are now ready to start digitizing a field boundary.